Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is very mermaid inspired by this Tarte Be a Mermaid and Make Waves palette. I love it, I'm obsessed with it, and I love mermaids, and I'm not ashamed, so I thought I'd do a fun kind of natural mermaid look for you guys. As usual, I'm starting with my face already done, so check out my color correcting and foundation routine in the down bar. Diving right into the palette, I'm going to be using this gorgeous brown shade Sandbar on a fluffy brush and just blend that into my crease for a little bit of definition. Next up is this gorgeous mauve Sure Thing, and I'm applying that with a BH Cosmetics No. 3 Pro brush right into the outer corner and up into my crease. I'm actually pointing to the wrong color. I will be using the darker mauve shade Shipwreck and buffing that right where I just placed the lighter mauve. Next, I'm taking this gorgeous duochrome shade Bubbles on a Luxie 223 short shader brush and just building that up all over my lid to kind of get a faux cut crease with this gorgeous color. And on the same brush, I'm just going to take Frosé to kind of highlight my inner corner and under my brows. Using this darker glittery mauve Beach Please, I'm going to pop that right on the outer corner of my eyelid to kind of give some depth and sparkle out there. For my liner, I'm trying out this Eyeko I Do liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to just do a kind of natural wing today to kind of accentuate my eye shape. And then for mascara, I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara and just applying a little bit of this because I'm going to do falsies later. While my mascara dries, I am taking Lagoon on a Coastal Scents BRC N01 brush and putting that right across my lower lash line for a pop of color. For my upper lashes, I'm using Iconic London Lashes and using these Ardell Double Up Wispies to add a little volume to my lower lashes. I'm going to be using blush as my contour and bronzer today, so I'm taking Ironic from the Tarte Color Wheel on an It Cosmetics blush brush and just using that where I would normally put bronzer and contour. And then I'm taking Culture from the same palette just to add a little bit of color right to the apples of my cheeks. And then for my favorite part, I'm taking Siren, which is a Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow from Stila, and popping that right on wherever I would normally put highlighter, and I love the way this looks. I feel super mermaidy. To tame my brows just a little, I'm using the Benefit Gimmie Brow in 03, and you know, just making sure they don't look too crazy today. For my lips, I'm using this Tarte Quench Lip Rescue Balm in the shade Nude and just applying a little bit of that so I can go back in with a glittery lip gloss. And this is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss in the shade SPL. So this is my final finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and while you're down in the down bar, make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Eyelea. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.